2 rooms, 2 installs. Which wins for cost, time, and look? In this video, we look at the pros and cons of both, so you can decide which is best for you. One of the homeowners wanted the timeless look of Herringbone, but also asked about cost and speed. Herringbone requires a lot of precision and accuracy. This means that it will take longer to install when planning, cutting, and laying the flooring. Straight planks are more straightforward to install, which also makes it quicker. In most cases, Herringbone costs more than its straight plank counterpart. However, some Herringbone products are very close in price to its straight plank counterpart. Straight plank is often cheaper than Herringbone. This is ideal if the planks need to be replaced at any point. Herringbone provides a premium, sophisticated look, making it a timeless choice for any room. Straight plank also looks quite elegant, but isn't as eye-catching as Herringbone. Both finishes look great. Which would you choose? The speed of straight plank or the timeless look of Herringbone?